Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Laugh, your favorite podcast for lively conversations and fascinating topics. I'm Sarah, and joining me, as always, is the ever-curious Jake.
Hey, Sarah. Hey, listeners. Today, we're diving deep into something that's both delicious and diverse, seafood.
That's right, Jake. Seafood has been a staple food source for centuries, offering not just incredible flavors but also loads of health benefits.
And let's not forget the cultural significance. From Japan's sushi to Spain's paella, seafood plays a huge role in cuisines around the world.
Absolutely. So, let's start by talking about the types of seafood. Jake, what comes to mind when you think of seafood?
Oh, tons of things. Fish like salmon, tuna, and cod. Then there are shellfish, shrimp, crabs, lobsters, and let's not forget mollusks like clams, mussels, and oysters.
Don't forget seaweed and other edible plants from the ocean. They're technically part of the seafood family too.
Good point. And what's amazing is how versatile these ingredients are. You can grill, fry, steam, or even eat some of them raw, like sushi or ceviche.
Speaking of sushi, Jake, did you know that Japan consumes about 80% of the world's bluefin tuna?
Whoa, that's a lot of sushi, and it's a reminder of how seafood can be a double-edged sword. While it's delicious, overfishing is a real problem.
Exactly. Overfishing and unsustainable practices are depleting certain species and harming marine ecosystems. That's why sustainable fishing is so important.
Right. Look for certifications like Master of Science or ASC on seafood packaging. They indicate that the seafood was sourced responsibly.
Great tip. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the health benefits of seafood. It's packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart and brain health.
True, omega-3s also help reduce inflammation, and seafood is a fantastic source of lean protein.
Plus, it's rich in vitamins like B12 and minerals like iodine, which are crucial for your metabolism and thyroid function.
But, Sarah, isn't there a concern about mercury levels in seafood?
There is, but it's mostly in larger, predatory fish like shark, swordfish, and king mackerel. For most people, eating a variety of seafood in moderation is perfectly safe.
Jake, good to know. Okay, let's spice things up. What's your favorite seafood dish, Sarah?
Oh, that's tough, but I'd say a classic lobster roll, fresh lobster meat tossed in butter, served in a soft roll. What about you?
I love a good shrimp curry. It's flavorful, spicy, and pairs perfectly with steamed rice.
Yum! Seafood really does bring people together, doesn't it? Think of all the celebrations and gatherings where seafood is the centerpiece.
Like a Louisiana crawfish boil or a Spanish seafood paella, it's about more than just food. It's about tradition and community.
And innovation, too. Chefs around the world are constantly creating new dishes with seafood.
True, but let's not forget the home cooks. Seafood can seem intimidating to prepare, but it doesn't have to be.
Definitely. Start with something simple, like baked salmon or shrimp stir-fry.
Or try steaming mussels with garlic and white wine. It's surprisingly easy and tastes amazing.
Great ideas. Jake, before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on the environmental aspect again. Supporting local fisheries and choosing sustainable options can make a big difference.
Absolutely, and reducing food waste is another way to help. For example, you can use fish bones to make a flavorful stock.
Such a good tip. All right, listeners, we hope today's episode inspired you to explore the wonderful world of seafood.
Whether you're a seafood lover or just curious, there's always something new to discover.
Thanks for tuning in to Learn Laugh. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
And let us know your favorite seafood dishes or recipes. See you next time.
Bye.